Well, the petitioner is challenging the impugn order passed on 19/5/25, 19 to 25, my lords. My lords, actually, there was an appointment for Panchayat Karmi. The petitioner was second, but the first petitioner was selected. But later on, it was realized that the caste certificate of the first petitioner was fake. An inquiry was conducted, and it was found out on the year 2024 itself that the fake caste
No,
certificate,
caste certificate is fake or erroneously issued.
फेक माय लॉर्ड्स, फेक, बिकॉज उसने माय लॉर्ड्स अपने आप को लोहार,
फेक कैसे हुआ? एरोनियस हुआ?
यस माय लॉर्ड, मतलब उसमें
फ्रॉडुलेंट हुआ, फोर्ज नहीं हुआ।
यस माय लॉर्ड, इट वाज अ फ्रॉडुलेंट कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट माय लॉर्ड, सो दैट इज व्हाई माय लॉर्ड,
घोषणा कौन करेगा?
मतलब देयर वाज अ इंक्वायरी कमेटी कंडक्टेड, इंक्वायरी कमेटी ने अपनी रिपोर्ट भी तैयार करके बताई है जी। That report is also at Annexure P4, my lords, which we have placed on record. मतलब in this,
ये न्यायालय नायब तहसीलदार कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट घोषित कर देंगे, उस आधार पे हाईकोर्ट ऑर्डर कर देगी।
no, my lords, I am just saying, my lords, after this there was a show cause notice also issued to the concerned candidate.
What? ये नायब तहसीलदार भी कर देंगे कि कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉडुलेंट है।
मतलब
ये
इसमें
तो कह सकते हैं फोर्ज्ड है, कार्यालय से इशू नहीं हुआ, इतना ही कह सकते हैं। एक बार इशू कर दिया तो उसकी जांच कौन करेगा?
इसमें मतलब इसने जांच करी है, जांच
अच्छा
करी,
बताइए इशू किसने किया था?
मतलब तहसीलदार ने ही इशू किया था।
कहाँ है कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट?
इस मतलब जाति प्रमाण पत्र है, मतलब P2 पर,
P2 पर,
मतलब जिसमें ये अनुसूचित जनजाति और गौण जाति लिखा हुआ है
जी।
बट मतलब ये जो इंक्वायरी हुई है उसमें आया ये गौण जाति के नहीं है, लोहार जाति के हैं, मतलब एंड दिस वाज द रॉन्ग इंफॉर्मेशन सप्लाइड बाय हिम एंड ही हैज सीकन sought an appointment on the basis of that, my lords. Now, my lords, the court, they have found that he has,
ये तो कह रहे हैं कि इस आधार पे नहीं हुआ अपॉइंटमेंट, इस आधार पे हुआ है।
मतलब दैट इज व्हाट, मतलब आधार पे, मतलब इस आधार पे
मेरिट लिस्ट का आप नंबर 2 पर है ना?
यस my lords, आई एम इन नंबर 2, my lords. In fact, there is also mentioned in P1 में लिखा है कि अनुसूचित जाति जनजाति पिछड़ा वर्ग महिला आवेदक को प्राथमिकता दी जाए।
Whether he was appointed as per the preferential order or on merits?
He was appointed on merits, but he submitted the fake caste certificate, for fraudulent caste certificate.
Then what?
But my lords, it is also important to see here that my lords, Annexure P1 may kindly be seen, my lords, they are giving priority to
whether he got priority or not.
My lords, that's my submission is that, my lords, fraud vitiates everything, my lords, and fraudulence.
Fraud has to be declared by the higher level committee, state level committee.
My lords, in this case, the report of the authority has not been challenged by the concerned candidate, my lords.
रिपोर्ट का क्या होगा? रिपोर्ट के आधार पर सीधे हाई कोर्ट से ऑर्डर ले लेंगे कि रिपोर्ट को आप वहां पे ले जाएंगे पहले?
No, my lords, I am
saying कमेटी में ले जाएंगे, वहां से आदेश लाएंगे।
In fact, they are currently inquiring in the matter. After this inquiry report, they have issued show cause notice also to the concerned candidate, my lords. So, my lords, I am seeking an because I was because had he been not,
will not get into all this. Anybody will get a report from Naib Tehsildar and file a petition against anybody. No SC, ST, OBC person will ever be secure.
My lords, in this case, my lords, I am just saying, my lords, ki there's a report of the Tehsildar itself, my lords.
ठीक है, देख लेते हैं। The present petition has been filed challenging the order Annexure P6, whereby the representation of the petitioner for cancelling appointment of respondent number 4 has been rejected. Point.
My lords, our candidate, they have rejected me on the ground that the appointment is not being done on the basis of the merits.
तुम फैक्ट्स लिखा रहे हैं, कोई गलत हो गया क्या? आपका रिप्रेजेंटेशन रिजेक्ट हुआ है, ये गलत लिखा दिया क्या हमने?
नो मैम।
फिर आपने क्यों टोका?
आई एम सॉरी मैम।
जस्ट टू शो टू द गैलरीज?
नो मैम, आई एम
ऑब्वियसली
आई एम सॉरी मैम।
The counsel for petitioner submits that selection process for appointment of Panchayat Karmi was initiated in the year 2006, wherein the respondent number 4 was at serial number 1 in the merit and the petitioner was at serial number 2 in the merit. Point. The respondent number 4 was appointed, but later it was brought to notice of the petitioner that the ST state that the caste certificate of petition of respondent number 4 mentioning him to be ST candidate was in fact obtained fraudulently, and he does not belong to ST community but belongs to Lohar community, which is OBC in the state. Point. The counsel for petitioner submits that upon the complaint of petitioner, an inquiry was conducted by the Nayab Tehsildar, and the Nayab Tehsildar, after conducting detailed inquiry, has found that the respondent number 4 in fact is OBC, in fact belongs to Lohar caste, which is OBC in the state of Madhya Pradesh, and does not belong to Gond tribe, of which he has got ST status certificate. Point. Therefore, he ought to have been removed from the post. Point. His representation has been erroneously rejected. Void annexure P6. Petitioner's representation. Petitioner's representation has been erroneously rejected by annexure P6 on the ground that the respondent number 4 was not appointed on the basis of ST certificate, but was appointed on the basis of his own merit without giving any benefit of ST status to the respondent number 4. Point. It is contended that irrespective of this fact, once ST status certificate was fraudulently obtained, then the respondent number 4 has to be removed from service. Next. Per contra, counsel for the state has opposed the petition. Next. The undisputed fact is that upon hearing counsel for the rival parties, it is evident that it is undisputed that respondent number 4 was granted ST status certificate of Gond tribe. Right. The said certificate has not been declared fraudulent by the higher level caste scrutiny committee constituted in terms of judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Madhuri Patil. 95 Supreme Court 94 or 94 95?
94 has 94 Supreme.
1994 Supreme Court AIR 1994 SC 95.
मैं अजय देता हूँ.
95 का पेज 94 है, 94 का पेज 95. Fine.
Sir, AIR 1995, SC 94 पे.
AIR 1995 SC 90. Fine. The petition seeking to challenge the appointment of respondent number 4 only on the basis of inquiry conducted by Nayab Tehsildar is utterly misplaced, because this court would not issue any writ only on the basis of a subsequent inquiry carried out by a class 3 officer holding the rank of Nayab Tehsildar without the caste scrutiny committee taking any decision in the matter. Point. The caste certificate has not been found to be issued, has not been found to be forged, but it is being alleged to be obtained by fraud, as the respondent number 4 is being stated to be of OBC category in place of ST category. Point. Next, unless a caste certificate once issued and is not found to be forged, no interference can be made by this court unless it is declared to be fraudulently obtained by the state level caste scrutiny committee constituted in terms of judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in 95-94. Points. Next, even otherwise, as per annexure P6, the respondent number 4 did not take any benefit of ST, did not get any benefit of ST status and was selected on his own merit without giving any reservation or preference or weightage of ST status. Next, in view of the aforesaid, the petition being devoid of merits stands dismissed.